Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you our digital prints that are released this week, or I guess it was last week. I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. So this week we are releasing the typewriter font, white text and black text for the numbers. So we did the typewriter font with the letters and now it's the numbers. And I love this because I don't know about you, but every time, like if you're, trying to do 2020, they never give you enough zeros or ones. This, you have 2 rows of each. And again, you own the file. So when you run out, you just print it again. And I, last week, got in a new package of stickers. This is A4 size. That's another thing. Every time you, when you buy the file, you get the A4 size and the 8.5 by 11 size. So if you prefer to print on 8.5 by 11, you can do that. They're slightly smaller than these, but then you get 2 different size. So let's go through all of these. So we've added a new color. It's called More Yellow. So this is More Yellow 1 and More Yellow 2. And this is on the A4 size again. And this is Light Gray 1, Light Gray 2. So I started saying I bought some new stickers last week, sticker sheets. And I've already used up all of them. I didn't have enough to print all of these. So I did print all the white text or white font, but I couldn't print all the black font. So I'll show that to you in a minute. So this is Peach 1 and Peach 2, Orange 1 and Orange 2. And then they're not all together. Empty 1 and empty 2. I don't know what happened there. I could print that for sure. I'll show you later if your printer, if your sheets, I put more sheets in my printer and there's 2 little guides at the bottom. And if you find your stuff is printing crooked, make sure that those guides are hugging the paper, because you'll see later one that I didn't do that. And it was like, oh no, I'm still going to use, most of the numbers are usable, but it does make a difference if you want to make sure that it fits perfectly. So this is Blue 1 and Blue 2, and I just absolutely love this typewriter font. This is Purple 1 and Purple 2, and I probably should have made sure that all of those were together, but that's okay. So this is Bright Orange 1 and Bright Orange 2, Pink 1, and Pink 2. Then we have Red 1 and Red 2. Then we have Turquoise 1 and Turquoise 2. And this is our original Yellow and Yellow 2. So I just want to show you the difference. This one here, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but this one here veers more towards the green, and this one here veers more towards the brown. And that's what yellow, you can, depending on the saturation, it can look like a green or it can look like a brown. And then you have the original yellow and the new yellow. So I love that. Now we have more of a variety of the yellow. So we have the brown 1 and the brown 2, dark gray 1, dark gray 2. And again, this is just a smidgen lighter than the other one. Then we have green 1 and green 2. And something to note for the digital prints, they are no longer 50% off, but they're still 25% off. But we decided to keep the bundles, and for people that buy the bundles, we decided that, they're buying quite a bit. So the bundles are still at 50% off. But if you're a Patreon member, so if you're a patron, I give out a coupon there for 25% off. So they get 50% off on single digital files all the time. You can't apply it to the bundles because the bundles are already at 50% off, but you can apply it to the single sheets. So I just thought that I would mention that. So now here is the black text typewriter font. Here's blue 1 and blue 2. And again, I ran out of paper. So I couldn't print everything. See this one here? Those little guides were not snug, so it printed sideways a little bit, but it's only like the first few rows. I can still use a lot of these, so I'm going to be using them. So you have bright orange 1 and bright orange 2. You have green 1 and green 2. Dark gray 1 and dark gray 2. And then you have, and I just want to show you, you can still see it. Like in real life, you can see the text. But I know that probably from far away, you couldn't see it. And this is brown 1 and brown 2. And this is yellow 2. So I ran out of paper. I said again that I ran out of ink. No, I ran out of paper. I have ink to last me for probably 2 years. So I'm not going to run out of ink. But I did run out of paper. I did order some more. I ordered my sticker paper off Amazon, and I really like the quality. It's waterproof and it's matte. I don't like the sticky, shiny stuff, but you could use shiny paper and it would give you a total different look also. Or you could print all our digital files. You can print them on vellum, on pattern paper. Some people say that they've printed, different digital files on pattern paper, and it comes out looking really nicely. I, like the heavy cardstock, and it's hammer mill that I use, the 100 pounds. And then the sticker paper, it's like I said, it's waterproof, matte, and I think I have it linked in my Amazon link, so you can go check that out. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.